Go into your assignment and click Capture and then choose File. Upload the video that you want. Once it's uploaded, you can trim it using our trim tool. Then click Save. Now you're ready to narrate. Type out the narration that goes along with the footage that you chose. After you've finished typing out your narration, you can practice your fluency to see that if your narration and your video match accordingly. When you're ready, you can go ahead and record your narration. At any time, you can re-record the narration. Now it's time to answer the reflection questions. Type in your responses to each of the questions. The icons in that phase are blue, indicating that that phase is complete.